Fluffy, wide-eyed bird in the sky, turquoise feathers shimmer up high, pearly white wings catching the light, rose gold dreams take flight in the night. Floating gently through cosmic air, hues of magic everywhere, twinkling stars they seem to weave a tapestry of hope to believe. Bird of dreams, you soar so high, paint the colors of the sky. Feathers soft like whispers told in turquoise, white and rose gold. Nest among the clouds so free, secrets sparkle in your spree. Every flutter casts a spell, mystery in each feather fell. Wings that dance to silent tunes underneath the dreaming moons, carry wishes through the veil in 1,000 stories pale. Bird of dreams, you soar so high, paint the colors of the sky. Feathers soft like whispers told in turquoise, white and rose gold.
Fluffy, wide-eyed bird so bright, feathered magic in the night. Turquoise gleam and pearly glow, rose gold glitters in the flow. Lowering high above the mist, every color kissed by bliss. Whispered secrets in the sky, dreams take wing and butterflies. Glide on wings of wonder, free in a world of fantasy. Light as air, your heart does sing, rainbow feathers on a string. Through the clouds you dance and twirl, little star of another world. Eyes that sparkle, breathless gleam, living out a dreamer's dream. Beyond the moon you'll find your way into realms of night and day, whimsical and filled with cheer, turquoise dreams forever near. Glide on wings of wonder, free in a world of fantasy. Light as air, your heart does sing, rainbow feathers on a string. Fluffy, wide-eyed bird so bright, feathered magic in the night. Turquoise gleam and pearly glow, rose gold glitters in the flow. Soaring high above the mist, every color kissed by bliss. Whispered secrets in the sky, dreams take wing and butterflies. Glide on wings of wonder, free in a world of fantasy. Light as air, your heart does sing, rainbow feathers on a string.
Fluffy, wide-eyed bird soaring high in the sky, Turquoise feathers gleaming under a sunny eye, pearl white tips shimmering in a soft breeze, rose gold wings, a story in the trees, gliding through the clouds like a tale untold. Nights of wonder as the stars unfold with each beat. Dreams awaken from sleep in the sky. Secrets the bird will keep. Feathers in flight, colors painting the air. Every gust of wind, a canvas with no care. Turquoise white and rose in a sunset blend. Follow the bird where the magic never ends. Dancing with the dawn in pastel light spins. Freedom calls in whispers where the day begins. Through